Hi ma'am, good evening. So, in this fine day, you have given me one work now to draw a picture of animal or bird and say something about that. So, wait, I have drawn a bird is peacock. So, I have drawn this and I want to say something about peacock. So, we all are know one thing that is a peacock is a national bird of India, and peacock has all of a sudden become an issue of national debate. Okay, thanks to Justice Mahesh Chandra Sharma of the Rajasthan High Court. Okay, Justice Sharma has enlightened the highly unaware Indian population about peacocks, so that opened our eyes. After directing the Rajasthan government to coordinate with the center and take steps to declare the cow as a national animal. Okay, Justice Sharma on Thursday made a revelation of sorts about peacocks. Okay, so that opened our eyes. Um, uh, then we call it a revelation because it is completely in contrast and what we have read before and scholars and science say. So, here is what Justice Sharma said, that is, there is a logic behind the peacock having been declared as a national bird. Okay, so in this situation, I want to tell you a story, the story about a peacock. Okay, so before he got his beautiful tail, the peacock was an ordinary bird with a small bunch of feathers. Okay, so one fine day, what happened? The peacock visited the Juno, the goddesses of protection. So the peacock told her that he wished to look grand and beautiful. Okay, so Juno smiled. Also, he was a good bird and she liked him. Okay, then the peacock has described the long train of brightly colored feathers. Okay, with brightly colored feathers that he wanted to tail behind him. Okay, and he also wished to be the loveliest of all the birds. Okay, so the common birds, the peacock was very happy then, and the peacock decided to walk like a king. So he held his head high and walked with style. Okay, the common birds were looked at him in surprise. What a beautiful feather he got with blue and green with a jewel like pattern. Okay, so what happened? Even the pretty long tailed pheasants were also jealous on him. Okay, so after showing off his tail, the peacock decided to fly. Okay, but the peacock was shocked. He simply could not fly, but he could take a few flying steps, but nothing more. Okay, after he sadly realized that, oh, I had lost a wonderful ability. So he simply, because to look good, okay, that's why he asked that beautiful feathers for Juno. Okay, this is a story. So, what we have learned from this story, the moral of the story is think well. Think well before you choose what you want in life. Okay, this is what I am going to tell, and thank you, ma'am, to giving a good work for me to do like this, and thank you.